Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss the acquisition of JDAM kits for LCA Tejas. Amid an ongoing conflict with China along the northern borders, India has placed orders for American Joint Direct Attack Munition precision-guided bombing kits to enhance the capabilities of its Tejas fighter jets. The acquisition of JDAM kits under delegated financial powers by the Air Force will enable Tejas jets to take out enemy bunkers and runways at 80 kilometers and distances beyond. It would enable the Tejas to carry out Balakot-like airstrikes with more accuracy and precision, like Spice precision bombs with Mirage 2000 aircraft. The order for the JDAM from the US for the light combat aircraft, Tejas, was placed to prepare the indigenous aircraft for taking out enemy positions in a much better way. The IAF has already operationalized 2 of its squadrons in the initial operational clearance and final operational clearance versions, while a contract has been signed for the 83 Mark I is set to be delivered a couple of years from now. The IAF has also its eyes set on the LCA Mark II and the AMCA being developed by the DRDO for it. The Indian Air Force have also planned to equip the Tejas with the French-origin Hammer air-to-ground standoff missile along with the indigenous Astra Beyond visual air-to-air missiles. The Indian Air Force is strongly supporting the indigenous LCA Tejas fighter aircraft program by adding more and more capabilities to the aircraft. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind.